Good day, everyone. I am Mariel May Mapiat from SEA CPE 4D. Today, I'll be presenting my assignment 1 for CPE 413, Computer Architecture and Organization. The title of my project is Quantum Assisted Computing in Consumer Devices, a collaborative development from NVIDIA, MIT, and Harvard released in year 2025. This project is about the launch of the Accelerated Quantum Research Center, led by NVIDIA in collaboration with MIT and Harvard. It focuses on building a hybrid system that combines quantum computing with classical AI supercomputers. The main purpose is to use the power of quantum mechanics to solve very complex problems that classical computers alone cannot handle. The project has applications in fields like drug discovery, material science, and quantum error correction, bridging the gap between theory and real world use. The project is executed through the integration of NVIDIA's GB200 NVL72 rack scale systems with specialized quantum processors. The hybrid system works by letting the classical supercomputer handle most computations, while the quantum processor tackles highly complex subroutines that are too difficult for classical machines. So this setup accelerates quantum simulations, allowing researchers to test and optimize algorithms. It also helps overcome some current limitations of quantum computers like instability and error proneness. So this project is very important because it is a step toward making quantum computing practical. By combining classical AI with quantum processors, it helps solve the problem of quantum error correction, which is major challenge in building scalable quantum systems. So the impact is huge. It could revolutionize industries by speeding up drug development, enabling the creation of new materials, and solving scientific problems that were impossible before. So, in short, it lays the foundation for the next generation of computing. So, this project greatly benefits researchers, developers, and scientists by giving them access to unprecedented computational power. So, for example, it accelerates scientific discovery since simulations that used to take years can now be done much faster. Next, it fosters collaboration between universities and industries so research can reach real world applications more quickly. And next, it allows users to pioneer hybrid algorithms, combining classical and quantum computing to push the limits of technology. So, overall, the project empowers users to solve problems that were once considered impossible. And the last part is a reference. So my main reference for this project is an article from PC Mag titled NVIDIA, MIT, and Harvard Launch Quantum Computing Center. So thank you for listening and that concludes my presentation.